Oh no, chill out.
It's about chill out. Chill out.
No, you ain't watching. Fucking. I know
Hell no. Hell no.
you.
You think you high. You
I
have
know
you
your hair
have
stink.
you think you high, you have
You
that
ain't
K2.
washed. You ain't washed your hair in 2 weeks. So I know you haven't.
Ooh. I just washed my hair like 2 days ago.
Oh my, dirty as hell, boy.
I'm just saying.
Talking about 2 days ago, and just because he live, he on live saying 2 days ago, so I know he ain't watched this shit in a week. I know your hair stink.
Get the that bad.
And you wash your hair with real body wash. You don't got no shampoo in your shower.
Hey,
Those
you just talk.
wash in the shower. You do not got no shampoo in there. I know you don't. I know you man. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. There's no way you got all three. I know.
You must be off K2, Lord.
Show me all three in your shower right now. Show me some conditioner. Go straight to your bathroom and turn the camera and show me conditioner.
I'm gonna show you. Hold on.
For the God, I'll shut up. In the same spot though. Don't take no. Look, I don't want to see it. No. He finna go to his mom's room, get the shampoo, go in the home room,
He
get the
finna
conditioner.
get everybody else shampoo and shit, bro.
Went straight there and turned around, folks. I know you lying. And he don't get his hair done. He the type of nigga sit on the block all day and just do like this. You don't get.
What you just say?
I know for a fact you ain't got all three of them in the same. You don't
Wait,
got.
what you just say? Wait, what you just say? Name them.
You don't get your hair done. I said you sit on the block all day.
I sit on the block. Hey, cop.
You just sit outside and twist your hair all day. I know you do. You one of them.
So dumb man.
You don't get your hair done on folks.
Hell nah, you trying to play your ass out K2.
You stay to my K2, dude. All I ever put in my body was death.
Za.
Real Za, real death.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I smoke Za. I got full of Za.
No, you don't. You smoke bags that say they Za.
I got Za. No, I smoke real Za.
Bags, they dookie crumbs. As long as the bag look cool.
So you saying out west? So you saying out west we?
Dookie
So you
crumbs.
saying out west we bogus? That's what you saying?
Of course. Hey, boy. Hey, this ain't no dookie crumb. I'm phone no smoke. You rolling it right up. No hype ass from the smoking immediately.
Hell nah. You think you just ate Mexican? You think you just ate Chinese rice? You so ugly. Early on the line, you thought you just ate some Chinese rice, man. This shit good.
So, yeah, I know for a fact I see you in front of Uncle Remus with a big ass BB sack.
Hey, buddy.
With your pants sagging, long, big as fuck on cap, big ass Rocky Revival pants in front of Uncle Remus with a hoodie on. It's 96 degrees.
Get your dumb ass. You just talking now. Get your dumb
Pipe
ass.
on you, shorty. You had a high point. You had a high point in the back of the restaurant on phone them. You had around you. You had a big high point in the back of Uncle Remus. Ran to that bitch. You got a run to the pipe that's gonna jam. You 30 minutes running 30.
Get your dumb ass. You just talking now.
In the back of Uncle Remus, as soon as you grab it, that bitch jammed up on you. First shot.
Hey, nah, stop tweaking though.
My bad.
Hell nah. Hey, I fuck with you though, Gherbo. D, I do though.
Hey, no, cut your head off.
And I did. My hair just grew back in the year.
No, cut it like me. Like grow up. Cut all your hair.
I cut my hair already.
Cut a fade, boy. You tweaking, boy. Not gonna do nothing for you, folks. Like if dreads right here, grow up, folks. Like your shit all the way in the front of your head. Like it's supposed to go back that way.
My dreads ain't done. They ain't got no haircut, Joe.
I know. Twisted them yourself, folks. Go get them stylist. You was out there doing like this the whole time.
Hey, bro, he ain't never popped out the shampoo, bro.
You didn't. He never popped the shampoo, bro.
Nah, I'm really just.
He never came with the shampoo.
I'm really just. Wait, what you say though? You didn't tell me the 3 things you told me to bring.
Happy as hell one day. He just get to doing like this, just twisting his head. twisting this shit. He's bored as hell. He twisting his hell.
In the hood, just doing this all day.
Nappy as fuck. You did not have no haircut. It was hoes finna pull up on the block. You fucking.
Nah, hey, I see you try to tweet.
It was some hoes putting up on the block.